Here's a beautiful 1970 Olds 442 W-30 car. It's a real numbers matching factory W-30. And it's actually a very, pretty much original car for the most part. Hasn't messed with. Shows 52,000 original miles on it. It's actually got most of the original interior in it, original weather stripping. Under the, under the car is nice and clean. It's a nice rust-free car. It looked like it had a mild restoration here and there over the years, but overall a nice, solid, original car. It runs and drives like a car that hasn't been taken apart. Under the hood's very correct and original. It's actually a special order paint color on the car, shown right on the trim tag. They only made like 2,000 some of these W-30s, and this is it's the actual real one. A lot of clones out there, but it's the real deal, and this is a nice, for the most part, Survivor, I'd say. The trim and stuff's all original on it. This front bumper looks to have been redone at one time. The paint was probably painted 10-15 years ago. It still looks beautiful for a driver. There's a few flaws here and there, but I wouldn't do anything in the car. I'd just drive it the way it's sat. The body's nice and straight. Everything lines up very nicely. If you look close, the paint's got a few little cracking here and there, stripes and stuff. So it kind of shows an older paint job, but you got really close to find it. 5 feet away it looks perfect. Again, there's some more here. A little bit right here. But you gotta look close to see it all. The chip there. But it's solid, nice and straight. It's probably a lacquer paint job, so it's kind of lacquer checking a little bit. That's what I think that is. It looks to be painted once. Under the trunk with the original paint and everything. This bumper is original chrome back here. You can see it's not as nice as the front, but it's kind of gives it that character. Show kind of nice original car it is. All the glass is really nice in the car. This side doesn't have any of that lacquer checking. It looks beautiful. A couple little chips here and there. Everything fits really nice on it. Original emblems. Even this weather stripping looks to be all original in the car. Again, shows how nice it was kept. Original fiberglass hood with the ram air. Original wheels, original plastic fender wells. The tires are aged a little bit. You can see some dry rotting, so you start driving it, you need new set of tires. But this car is half the price of some of those cars are going at Barrett for $140,000, less than half the price. And this thing drives like a nice low mileage car. Nice and smooth, runs great. I'd rather have one of these than something that's been all taken apart and put back together again. Window glass is beautiful. There's one little chip right here. All the trim's nice. On the interior, it looks to be all original interior except for the carpeting, which has been replaced at one time. Steering wheel dash is nice and clean, looks like a 52,000 mile car should be. Door panels are original. Headliner is original. Seats are original in the car. And they're very nice. The driver's seat's got a little cut right there, a little spot right there, but overall, you can see how nice it is. And the door panels are nice. Rear seat looks perfect. The rear package tray, if you wanted it perfect, you could replace it, but it's original. You see, pretty decent. Headliner's nice. The courtesy light doesn't work. Could be a bulb. That's original headliner, original sun visors, and original door panels. You can see how nice the car was taken care of. This weather stripping I think is original on the car. It's the original sticker on there. Yeah, you could use weather stripping again if you want it perfect, but you just want to leave it as a nice survivor. I would. He's going to clean the gauges are. See the 52,000 miles. The original Hurst shifter, original radio. It's got an aftermarket radio. Neither of them I can get working. He can rebuild the original one for pretty cheap, and I'd remove that aftermarket one, or you can leave it. Glove box nice, light works in there. These seats are really nice. The back's nice. Door panel's nice. I took pictures. I think the doors are solid. Underneath the hood, again, is nice, clean, original ram air cleaner, original fluid intake, motor numbers do match the motor. See the trim tag got the special order paint on there. I believe it's a Corvette yellow. I'll put in the ad what exactly it is. Find out, but you can see his dad's really been messed with all underneath here. It's been nicely detailed. It is the wrong transmission in the car. The transmission was changed out. I believe it's a 71 transmission, but you know, the motor's the original, which is the big thing. And I believe that the exhaust manifolds are correct ones, and the carb I think is off by the numbers, but it's the same like era, just not the correct carb, I don't believe. The original hood, in nice shape. Wheels are nice. I'm gonna show their originalities that they're clean. One thing I wanted to show on the car is the ram air little thing here. It is broken. I'm sure you can probably get one, but it's all hooked up. Someone just broke the knob off. Again, this car is not 100,000 plus like all the. You can actually enjoy this one and drive it. Trunk keys here. Under the hood, under the trunk is nice and clean. Weather stripping's nice. Rear wheel and tire there. This paint underneath here is all original. You can see the edging is beautiful. Original decal there. Got the trunk mat. I don't see the jack in the car, but you can get those. It's nice and solid trunk floor. The quarters look to be all original with the numbers in there. The floors are original in the car. It's a real nice rust-free car. See how clean. I have more pictures in the ad underneath and the floors. Got the trumpet exhaust tips, which are original. Start it up here and take a little spin. Thing runs, starts right up, runs great. Horn works. Directionals work. The lights all work, to check that. The wipers work. Heater, that works. radio, it won't turn on. I can't figure out how to get this one on, so something you have to do to it, but nothing major. All the windows roll up very nice and smooth. All the side glass is nice. Runs nice and smooth. I mean, this thing runs like a 52,000 mile car that's never been apart. You know, some people take these things and try to restore them, and they're drive like shit, run like shit. This is not one of those cars. You can tell it's a non-hot rodded, well taken care of car. Nice and smooth and quiet. Stops great, steers great. It's actually a real pleasure to drive. Potential, but I don't want to get a ticket either. All the gauges work: temp, oil, gas. The clock does not work. Again, that's a thing that hardly ever works on these things. Most people convert them to the quartz mechanism.